Hey guys, today you get to enjoy watching me get lost on my way to a store that I go to at least once or twice a week, and I totally got lost. It's crazy. I'm losing my mind. Check it out. Good morning, folks. Fred and I have decided to go to the store. Yes, I have Fred with me. Say hi, Fred. Hey, hi. Go sit down. Get over there. Get over there. Good boy. Alright. Alright, we're off. The weather's a little warmer, so I take Fred with me. He loves to ride. He's my co-pilot. Anyway, going to the grocery store. Been a while. Been about 5 or 6 days. Go pick up a few things. Right, Fred? Here you go, look out the window. There you go. His favorite spot, looking out the window. That's what he does. He's a vigilant observer. Boy, a lot of auditors getting arrested this week. I don't know what's going on with that. Starting to crack down on them, maybe. Some small things, some big things. People losing their channels. It's crazy. Crazy. Oh well. I try to keep mine toned down so I don't go over the edge and get booted off of YouTube. It's hard sometimes dealing with some of these idiots, but I do what I can. I think I should take a different way to the supermarket today. Maybe I'll go down the highway to the supermarket. I haven't done that for a long time. I usually go through town. I don't really like taking the highway, but I think I'll give it a shot, just for a different view of things. Instead of going straight up here, I'll hang a left. Get on I-44, or the road that turns into I-44 actually is what it is. Yeah, we'll do that just for the heck of it. Fred wants to feel the wind in his face. Don't you, Fred? Fred's the man. He drives when I get tired. Here we go. What's with all the fucking cones here? What the hell are they doing? I don't know. Doing it on the left side of the road. The left 2 lanes are closed. Hopefully I can get on the highway up here. Jesus Christ. I'm not happy if they're not screwing up traffic in this town. They're working underneath the overpass. That's what they're doing. They got those scissors things. You can see them. They got those scissors things out there, lifting themselves up underneath the bridge, checking out the structure and patching up anywhere that needs to be patched. That whole thing's only about 10 years old. They keep a pretty close eye on it. It's okay. It looks like we can get on the highway up here. Yep. Yeah, the road's opened up here. Good. Not even sure what the date is today. I know it's Monday, I think. There we go. Good. I gotta remember which exit to get off. It has been a while. More speed tickets in this stretch of road in Wichita Falls than anywhere else in Old Town. You just don't learn. I bet they'll give out 20 speed tickets to every go through here. Nice day, the motorcycle cops are probably out, and this is their territory. They hide in the bushes in the median up here and on the sides of the road. Gets away with it forever. I got one speed ticket here about 15 years ago. Last ticket I got, I think. Before I figured out where all the speed traps were. Now I just don't speed. I just don't. I'm getting a ticket. Okay, where the hell do I get off here? Remind me. I think this is it up here. Yeah, this is it. The old 287, business 287, that's the road that goes right through downtown. Am I doing this right? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. I think I'm going the right way. Yes, I am. Yes. I think. It has been a long time since I went this way. Yeah, this is it. No, this isn't it. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Let me think. I just screwed up. Imagine that, me screwing up. Well, we just turn around. Lost in my own town, that's terrible. I'm trying to think, where is, oh, I know where it is. No, I was going the right way. Okay, it's coming back to me now. I'll go down here to the end of this road, take a right, and take another right. Must be Alzheimer's or something, I forget where I was going. Crazy, huh, Fred? That's crazy, yeah. You know where we're going, don't you? Fred never forgets. If he's been someplace once, he knows where he's going. I can tell. He doesn't pay much attention if he's been there before. But if he hasn't, he's all eyes and ears. He's kind of eyes and ears right now because I haven't been this way in, it's got to be 2 years. There we go. This is the road my favorite bar is on. If I was going the opposite direction, I'd be heading to that bar that I go to once in a while. I probably should have gone up and said howdy, but save that for another nice day. They had a rally there this weekend. I didn't know about it, or I would have gone. Seen the bikes, had a car show up there. Dang, I missed it. Didn't I, Fred? Yes, I did. Want some air, buddy? There you go, look out the window. What the hell? You got speed strips. What the fuck? Alright. Yeah, that was kind of a long way to go, wasn't it? I know there's another exit up there that would have brought me almost directly here, but I can't remember which one it is. Old age sitting in my brain. Oh well, that's alright. We got nothing better to do today. That's better. I'm not going back that way. Oh, here it is right here. I wanted to get off on 287 Business. What an idiot. I kind of did. I just got off in the wrong exit. Okay. My bad. Hey, you get a turn signal there, don't you, dumbass? Good thing I pay attention. God damn, people. These people. You people. Okay. Now let's see if we can find a decent parking space. I don't even know what frickin' time it is. It's gonna be almost noontime. If I'd realized that, I probably would have waited. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think I got him cleared. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think I'm good. Alright, you gonna hang out here for a minute there, Fred? While I go in, I'll leave the window cracked for you so you can breathe. It's not hot out, so. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we're all stocked up. Fred is ready to go home, huh, Fred? Yeah. We'll go back the normal way. Seeing it's so much easier. A few more stop signs and lights, but straight through. Restocked. I know it, Fred. Who are you talking about? You talking to me? Are you talking to me? That's a good boy. Well, that's it, folks. I get lost, I go to the store, I get food, I go home. Exciting, huh? Just don't get too worked up over it. Anyway, y'all have a great day now. Thanks for going along. Bye.